In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create PayPal.me linked request payments from people. So when you log in your PayPal account on any browsers that you have, in here, click on the Get Paid Fast. Just go and click that one. So in here, go to your profile settings and select PayPal.me. So I'll be zooming that out for you to see. So once done clicking that one, you will now then be needing to open it with Chrome. And there you have it. You already have your PayPal.me link. So I'm going to zoom that one so that you can see. So just go ahead and manage PayPal.me. In here you will see, or you can copy your link, or you can just send it to Facebook, Twitter, etc. So just go ahead and copy that one and try to paste it here on Google Chrome. And there you go. The other people can now send their payments to you by clicking send. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.